Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Nifty Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, navigate to App Marketplace and click on it. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install. And when you find it, just click on it. Click Install and allow an install. From here, refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of important tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. Up next is the tutorials tab, which contains resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Up next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. Start by copying your redirect URL. Next, click on Start Setup. Head to your Nifty account online and click on your profile. On your profile, click on App Center. And in App Center, integrate with API and create a new app. Give a name of your choice, a description, and you paste your redirect URL here. Next, select the scopes that you are going to need and click Create. From there, click Configure and copy your client's ID, head back to your account and paste it where required. Next, copy the client secret, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then click Complete Setup. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.